Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome to Beauties of B. I hope you're doing well. So this is just a short introduction towards the Diwali week that we are going to celebrate. I'm going to come up with exciting makeup, DIY, hair care, skincare and fashion videos for the entire week that we are going to celebrate Diwali. I hope you enjoy all those videos. This is like a Diwalog kind of thing that Shreya Jain started long ago and she's been following the tradition and now everyone is doing it. I just thought I would do the same as it is. It's been really long that I've missed a lot of videos. I missed talking to you all and doing a lot of exciting things together. So I just thought I will be back to my channel and create some exciting content for you all. And I have been posting videos regularly now, so I hope you've noticed it. And I have been trying something new on my channel that I've started speaking in Hindi. At least I am planning to do it for for some time now. If you enjoy my videos, if you like my videos, then please subscribe to my channel. Please do that, guys. It would mean a lot to me. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit on the red bell button next to it so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And please like, share and comment that ये तो बोलने वाली बात है नहीं, ये तो आप जरूर करोगे. तो चलिए ये पूरे हफ्ते जो नए नए वीडियोस आने वाले हैं उनको देखते हैं and we'll have a lot of fun. So from tomorrow we are going to start the Diwalog thing and make sure you subscribe as I'm saying again so that you get notified every time my video is about to come, and we're gonna have a great time. Thank you for watching me. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.